welcome back to another video. On this video, just a quick one. I'll be doing the two outer plates and the fish plates as well. I won't be doing too much more on that because I need to go away for work for a week. So this one's just a quick one to give you a bit of an update on how the F100's going. Here's the chassis marked out for what I've got to cut out for the C-notch plates. There's a couple of curbs there, one there. I've drilled some holes to cut it out a little bit easier because angle grinders obviously can't cut internal or inside curves. I've marked out what's to be cut out and what's to stay. I'm going to try and keep this piece intact for now while I'm welding the C-notch plate in. This part here will stay as well until I put in the fish plates on the inside of the chassis to try and keep the strength in there. And along the top and the bottom there, I've measured a little bit less than 4mm so I can slowly grind that top part out and that top part out so the fish plates or so the C-notch plates actually fit flush onto the chassis and there's no huge gaps up there for when I have to go weld it. Pretty much the same as the bottom. So yeah, I'll get cracking and start cutting out. Righto, got this side cut out and I've tacked in the notch plate. As you can see, I put a couple of more supports down the bottom to stop the chassis from dropping, so I don't think it's going anywhere in a hurry. On the inside, I've just put in place the fish plates. I've got to finish cleaning the inside of the chassis there and there before I actually weld it all in. As you can see, I've cut out all that centre section there. I've left a couple of little bits just there so I can bend them up and weld them in just to add a little bit more strength to the C-notch. I was going to do one full side at a time, but I've decided that while what I've done on that side is still fresh in my memory, I'm going to do the outside on the driver's side. So basically same thing here. I've set it all up, marked it out. As you can see, that's nice and level, and if I get my straight edge, lay that across there, and sit it across the two outer C-notch plates, you can see that's all nice and level as well. So we're out slightly by 0.1 of a degree there. Yep, the two C-notch plates are nice and level. So when I weld these two fish plates in, cut all this out, I'll have a nice good reference of the two outer C-notch plates to start working on both the inner rails. And yeah, so our next step is cut all that out and basically get this side to the same point as that side. Righto, here we are again. Both the C-notch side plates are are in, and both fish plates are in. I've only tacked them in at the moment because the engineer says I need a qualified welder to finish it off. This will be it for this video because I have to head off to Brisbane for work for a week. So I'll stop it here, but next video, not too sure whether I'll be working on the top pieces or the inside plates yet. I'll have a think about it while I'm in Brisbane and come back and get stuck into it again. Thanks for watching.